Hello, I am Professor Datraj, Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering and Dean of Global Partnerships. I am very glad to tell that one of my student, Mr. Arpan, got the unique opportunity to go to Germany in FH Dortmund. FH Dortmund is collaborating with RV College of Engineering, and they are our strategic partner. And Mr. Arpan got this opportunity to go and do his project work under Professor Stefan Hesterberg. So his work involved developing of a small scale or tabletop forging and deep drawing machine. And he has got enormous technical information, and he utilized his technical know-how in mechanical engineering to execute this project. So myself and Professor Stefan Hesterberg and also my colleagues at Department of Mechanical Engineering and Department of Mechanical Engineering FS Dortmund, at professor to professor level, we have excellent collaboration. Many of my colleagues are collaborating with their colleagues. I am also very glad to tell that one of our PG student, he will also be going to Germany to the same department, and he'll be continuing the work what Mr. Arpan is doing and complete this work in a very comprehensive manner, which will result in paper publication, possibly patents, and also commercialize it. So I'm very glad to collaborate with Professor Stefan Hesterberg, Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering at FS Dortmund. Thank you.
Namaste, myself Dr. Vikram NB, Assistant Professor in the Department of Industrial Engineering and Management, and also Program Coordinator for RVC Indo-German Collaborative Programs. It gives me immense pleasure that from our department, Dhanush AP has been selected for the international project, and he is working with FH Dortmund University along with the Professor Stefan Weyers and Tim Gruckman. He is working on developing a sustainable economic model for the industry, and is also checking for the readiness of the circular economy in the MSME sector. We are very grateful to our management and Dr. K.N. Subramania sir and our Dean Global Partnership Natraj sir. So bringing a lot of international collaborations is very key success of any educational institution, and our students are getting a lot of opportunity to be a global citizens. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Meenal Mohoril from Computer Science and Engineering Department, RV College of Engineering. RVC and THWS University, Germany is having a strong collaboration. And as a part of this collaboration, I have attended their International Teaching Week in THWS. From last 2 years, I am attending this International Teaching Week. I have handled the courses on cyber forensics and ethical hacking as a part of this International Teaching Week. Further to this collaboration, I am also interacting with Professor Biderman Sebastian, who is the head of the Cybersecurity Research Center, and we are doing some research work and some publication together. As a part of this research center, they have called me as a visiting professor come subject expert during October 2025 to December 2025. I am also interacting with Professor Sueb Dominic. One of my final year engineering student team, they completed the project on generative AI, which is very latest topic it was, and they come up with the very good findings, and they are in the process to publish their results. So all these collaborations are really a success stories, collaboration with THWS and RVCE. And we are looking forward for many more such collaboration with THWS. I am very thankful to our principal, RSST management, vice principal, and our dean of international office for this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Hello, I am Dr. Sushmita Sarkar from RV College of Engineering. I am working in AAA department, and I am very fortunate enough to get an option for working with an international collaborative projects. So right now I am working with FH Dortmund, University of Medellin, Colombia, and NI Mysuru. So my partner professors are Dr. Vinod Rajamani, Dr. Martin Kiel, Dr. Carlos, and Dr. Fedri. So together we are doing 2 projects. Project number 1, we are doing ASA project funded by German government. So where our student Arohi and 2 students, Vihan and Dominic from FH Dortmund and Dr. Vikram from NI Mysore are working under my mentorship in India. So the second project we are working on wire harnessing, which is in initial stage. So the same collaboration, we are working a lot of research papers, and with this collaboration, it's not only bringing the growth of faculty as well as the students. So for all these opportunities, I would like to thank the management, the principal K.N. Subramania, and Dean of Foreign Affairs, Dr. Natraj sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you.